Hello, dreamers. You are looking at my very first epic painting of a big dragon. That's right, I am painting dragons now. I want to create a black, flaming dragon that combines elements of Smaug and a Desmond from the Warcraft. The inspiration of this dragon is taken from the infamous villain Desmond the Destroyer, known from the Cataclysm expansion from World of Warcraft. I didn't think it would be that obvious until I showed this painting to some Comic-Con fans, and it was immediately recognized by fellow gamers. This recognition makes me very excited to share this artwork with you. As I mentioned in previous narratives, I'm a bit of a geek myself. Before I got married and had kids, my favorite pastime was playing World of Warcraft. Although in reality, I'm not a great gamer. I don't have a solid gaming cult around me, so I struggled to figure out how to join a team, for dungeons and raids. I was often unsure about what I should do in a group setting. So, in fact, I was once kicked out of a group I was playing with because I was such a bad player. However, that didn't dull my enjoyment for the RPG game. I often roam the world as a solo player. I miss those days and sense of belonging that came with be able to discussing geeky topics with people who understood me. Now my kids are at the age where they're playing their own RPG games, which remind me of a time when life was fun rather than, filled with responsibilities and obligations. If you enjoyed my art process, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your interaction with my video is free but significant. Thank you for supporting a small channel like mine as I try to reach others who appreciate my art just like you do. this watercolor painting of Deathwing the Destroyer and would like to have it for your home or as a gift, make sure to visit my website at dreamywatercolor.com for high quality prints and original artworks. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this epic adventure of painting a dragon with me. Happy dreaming, and I will see you in the next video.